Have you ever imagined a vehicle so large, so powerful, that it makes a two-story building look like a toy? Welcome to the world of BelAZ 75710, the world's largest and most powerful mining truck ever built. This behemoth isn't just a truck. It's a technological marvel, a symbol of industrial strength, and a force that redefines what a vehicle can be. Manufactured by Belarusian company BelAZ, the 75710 is a mining truck built to haul the heaviest loads Earth can offer, literally. With a payload capacity of a staggering 450 metric tons, this monster hauls iron ore, coal, rocks, and more with a power that defies belief. The sheer scale of this vehicle leaves people in awe, and today we'll take a journey into its gigantic world. Let's start with the numbers, and these aren't ordinary numbers. The BelAZ 75710 weighs around 360,000 kilograms, even without any load. That's heavier than an Airbus A320 jetliner. When fully loaded, this machine tips the scales at over 810,000 kilograms, over 800 metric tons rolling on Earth's surface. Now, what powers such a massive beast? Not one but two massive 16-cylinder diesel engines, the MTU DD16 V4000s. Each engine delivers 2,300 horsepower, giving the truck a combined output of 4,600 horsepower. These engines don't drive the wheels directly. Instead, they generate electricity, which powers electric motors located at each axle, making the truck essentially a diesel-electric hybrid, just like a train. Fueling this giant requires something just as large, a fuel tank that can hold up to 5,600 liters of diesel. That's enough fuel to run a small city generator for days, but when you consider the size and weight of this vehicle, every drop of that fuel is put to heavy use. And the tires, they're not just big, they're colossal. Each tire is nearly 4 meters tall and the truck has 8 of them. Just one of these tires costs tens of thousands of dollars and weighs as much as a car. A human standing next to one of these tires looks like a child beside a mountain. Despite its size, the BelAZ 75710 can still reach a top speed of about 64 kilometers per hour when empty and around 40 km/h when fully loaded. That may not sound fast, but remember, it's carrying the weight of 300 cars on its back. To turn such a massive machine, the BelAZ uses an advanced hydraulic steering system that controls the 4 front wheels independently. Its turning radius is tight for its size thanks to this system, allowing it to maneuver around tight mining sites with surprising ease. The dimensions of this vehicle are mind-blowing. It's about 20.6 meters long, 9.87 meters wide, and 8.16 meters high. To give you perspective, a regular city bus is about 12 meters long and 3 meters tall. This truck dwarfs most buildings, vehicles, and machinery on Earth. Operating the BelAZ 75710 is not a job for beginners. It requires a trained professional, someone who can understand the complexity of the machine, maintain full control, and make precise movements, even while hauling a load heavier than a commercial jet. Inside the cabin, drivers are treated with more than just a seat and a wheel. The cabin is air-conditioned, soundproof, and fitted with digital control panels that monitor every function of the truck in real time. There are camera systems, safety alarms, and automatic braking features to ensure safe operation in the harshest of conditions. This truck doesn't travel on highways. It doesn't deliver goods across countries. Its entire life is spent within massive open-pit mining sites, the only places big enough to handle its size. These mining locations are where the BelAZ shows its true value, moving unimaginable amounts of material in a single run, reducing the need for multiple smaller trucks and increasing overall efficiency. Now you may wonder, how do they transport such a vehicle? The answer is, they don't, at least not in one piece. The BelAZ 75710 is so large that it must be assembled on site. It is shipped in parts and constructed directly at the mining site where it will operate. Once it's built, it typically stays there for years, if not decades. With all this size and power comes an equally massive price tag, somewhere between $6 to $8 million US, depending on configuration and features. But for mining companies, this is a wise investment. The productivity, efficiency, and raw hauling power of this truck can significantly cut down operational costs and manpower. There's also a sustainability element to its design. While it consumes massive fuel, the diesel-electric system is much more efficient than traditional mechanical drivetrains for this level of weight. And because fewer trips are needed to transport material, carbon emissions are lower per ton moved. The BelAZ 75710 isn't just the biggest truck, it's the champion of mega transport. It's a symbol of how far engineering has come. It proves that when humans need to conquer the most difficult terrains, extract the most precious resources, and move the heaviest materials, we are more than capable of building machines that can handle the challenge. In a world increasingly defined by speed and sleek design, the BelAZ stands tall, literally and figuratively, as a brute force of nature, a mechanical titan that commands respect. So the next time you think of a big truck, remember, there's big, and then there's BelAZ 75710, a true king of the mining world. And if you found this machine as jaw-dropping as we did, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Ideal Vehicles for more amazing content about the world's most incredible machines. See you in the next video.